Hello, welcome to our After Effects video. This is going to be copying the fill color from multiple layers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new solid here, and we've got 80 by 80 pixel one. And this is going to be essentially, this is going to be like our source layer. So I'll just do solid source. All right, so what we're going to do with this is we're going to go to effects, and we're going to add a fill component to this. So here's our fill component. So for instance, we could say we want it to be yellow. All right, so that is a yellow one there. Now what we're going to do is we're then going to copy this and we're going to paste it. And this one we're going to just going to do a solid one is what we're going to call it. And we can do Control Shift Alt down. And what we're going to do with this, if we press a UU, we're going to get access to the color here. So at the moment you see we're in solid one, and when we click here we go to solid source. But what we want to do is we want to link the color from solid 1 to the source. So what you have to do is you go to the solid source, you lock the effects control like that, and this way you see it's still on solid source. And so what it means is that essentially, I'll just move this over to the side so you can see this. You see at the moment, right, if we change the color of this to this, only the green square is changing color. But if we now do this and we link the color to this, you see now it goes that color, and indeed when we actually change the color here, it's going to change all of them. What this means, of course, is that we can then copy this layer now, and we could put in a bunch of different things, right? And now essentially we've got what we're looking for here, right? So we just look at however many we've got. Is that all of them? One more maybe? Then all we have to do is, again, we're in solid source anyway. We don't even need to select the layer because it's locked. We can just change this color and they all change color. So thanks for watching.